welcome back to my YouTube channel. If today is your first time of tuning in, you are highly welcome. Today I'm going to be unboxing hair that I bought from Amazon. The brand name is Leeven. I don't know if I pronounce it very well. I think so. Leeven hair. Yes, I'm so very happy to receive this hair from Leeven. Thank you very much for the collaboration. Guys, I can tell you that this hair came very fast. It took me less than 5 days to receive this very hair. Yes, to receive it in France. I'm so very happy about the fast shipping. Yes, I can't wait to unbox this hair. Yes, and yeah, this is how the hair came with this cute bud. This is how it came. It was well secure, and we are going to be unboxing it now to see what is inside. Let's unbox it together. There is nothing more inside. Yeah, this is how the hair came, and it came with a protecting bag with this zip right here, well secure, and this is how it looks like. It came with one needle and some rings. Yes, I can't wait to put on this crochet hair. Yes, it came with 6 pack. Yes, there is 6 pack inside. There is 6 pack. I got it in black and wine color. Let me just open it up, and I'm going to be seeing how many strands it is. This is how the hair came. It's a pre-twist short bob. Yes, it's so very cute. Yes, so very cute. And it came with 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And it came with 50 strands. 15 times 6 is 90. The total is 90. Yes, that will be enough for full head. Yes, I so much love this pre-twist spring hair, and so very soft. If you are going to look for this very one in Amazon from the brand Leeven, well, I will be leaving the link on the description box below for you guys to check it out. This hair is so very cute, and it's so very affordable. You can even use this hair several times. It's detangle free as well, and it's easy to lose as well. Normally I make my hair by myself. I can't wait to put on this crochet hair. Yes, I will be leaving the link on the description box below. You can go and check it out. It's so very affordable, and it's very good. It's so very cute. I like the bouncing coils. I can't wait to put it on. Really, definitely I'm not going to be taking long to put on this very hair for you guys to see how it really fits. Yes, I'm really looking forward to do that. Yes, that is it. Thank you very much for unboxing this video with me, and please, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, go ahead and hit that red button over there. Click on that notification bell for you to get alert whenever I upload new video. And please don't forget to share my video if you find this video helpful. Give me a like, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.